This is the freight elevator at the Mitchell building in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is an original manual Otis. You can tell this is originally an open shaft or car, but they put wood grain over it at some point. Now let's go up. Luckily, this is self-leveling at terminal landings. Here you go. Here at 7. There's the interlock for the car gate. The light. There's an office up here with music playing. Let's go back down. Otis elevator. Thanks to PA Elevators for discovering this. That's the passenger elevator. If this wasn't self-leveling, I may not have known what the top floor of this thing was. Back at 1. It's pretty good, and that's gonna be it.